Good day to you traders. Thanks for tuning in to today's Cherry Bomb. It's August 3rd, 2021, and we're looking at a Las Vegas gaming stock today. Las Vegas Sands has a liquidity rank of 4 drops out of 4 and an IV rank of 46 right now. So that puts us in credit spread. Well, not spread. We're not doing a spread. We're looking at a naked trade today. Short put. You could always turn this into a spread if you want to be able to have a better sleep at night, but I don't know that today's trade really fits a vertical. So let's hop on into Thinkorswim and take a look, shall we? Hi everybody, my name is Neil and this is Option Theory. Thanks so much for joining us. On screen you can see we're inside of simulated trading here in Thinkorswim, and we do that to get all the learning without all the risk. If that sounds like something you'd want to do, then go ahead and join us. Stick around to the end. It does help me when you all watch these videos too. All right, on screen you can see this chart, and it is without a doubt a falling knife. We hit our low yesterday, and for the past 52 weeks. We could try to change this to a longer period here, and go back 3 years to see where that looks for us. That would probably not have been the right thing to do. Let's auto zoom. Yeah, so there you go. We are not at the low. 33 was the low in the past 3 years. So we're near it. That's a good sign. I suppose you could say that that's, support in around, that number. But we're looking at selling something that's a little higher than 33. So, all right, let's go ahead and change that back to 1 a year, or where it is. And let's go to the Analyze tab and build today's trade. We're going to be looking at the September 10th weeklies as the trade was sent to us from Tasty Trade. Remember, State of the End will tell you how you can get the same emails from Tasty Trade sent to your inbox every morning. They don't come from me. I don't get your email. And then, yeah, here we go. So September 10th weeklies, we're looking at selling the 39 put, which is a 30 delta. The issue I have with this particular trade, I'm going to give you an alternative, is normally the Tasty Trade mechanic of selling options is they have the sweet spot being 45 days to expiration and a 16 delta when you're selling something naked like this. Well, we do have something that's pretty darn close to 16 delta. That's the 35 put, but it doesn't really have a lot of open interest, which to me, one of the main benefits of trading options and trading in the stock market, right, is liquidity, being able to get in and out easily so you can manage your positions. We got a wide bid-ask spread down here and low open interest. So let's first look at the trade as it was sent and then look at the alternative. Let's hit 39 bid. And then we've got that trade down here. 1 contract by default. We've changed our defaults. Make sure that you check out our library of videos. We have over 300 videos. Some of them are how-to videos. You can check that on how to change your order defaults. We're looking at collecting $1.13 in credit for this one. Let's go to the risk profile and check out the probabilities. First step here is to set the date in the top right corner to the date of expiration, which we see in turquoise on the bottom, which is apparently September 11th. Let's go set the price slices to break even at expiration and get our expected move to fit on the screen a little better. There we are. We're looking at a 68% probability of profit on this weekly put here. So that's pretty darn good. It's respectable for sure. And collecting $1.13. Let's see what our P50 is real fast. I have this pulled up here in Tastyworks as well. So I'll switch over to show you that the P50 here is a 87%. And their pop, they're saying is 74% probability of profit versus what did we have back here? We had a 68. So quite a difference. Not sure why. Maybe that's some differences in the updated information. Let's go back and change this to the alternative I would say I'm probably going to do. Let's go and delete that trade and go and change this from the weeklies to the monthlies, which is, by the way, 45 days to expiration today. And then instead of selling the 39, because we don't have that option, we do have the 35, which is a 15 delta, and has us collecting on a much tighter bid-ask spread of only 3 cents and having way more open interest. This seems like a better trade for me. So I'm going to hit this 35 bid. Got my 1 contract for that put on the monthly of September on September 17th. Credit of 61. You could probably penny that up 1 or 2 pennies. See what happens, but we're just going to leave it there like that. Let's go to the risk profile and set the date to the date of expiration, which in this case is now the 18th. That widens out our expected move a little bit, but let's see what it does to our probabilities. Now we're looking at an 82% probability of profit according to Thinkorswim. Once again, we'll switch this over to Tastyworks and modify this trade a little bit. Let's just go up in time. Now we're at the 45. Let's drag that to 35. And now we're looking at collecting 62, a 85% probability of profit with a 93% probability of making half of that. Now I get that $31 is not particularly exciting. But remember, sometimes it's the law of large numbers. It's repeated wins. It's consistent and predictable wins, right? So I'm going to go over here and take a opportunity to right-click this trade. You can't see, so I'm choose confirm and send, and I'm going to allow you to see that screen. There it is. We're looking at collecting 61 cents. That's our max profit. Our max risk is $34. But remember that, $34, $3,400. Right? But that comes with high probabilities. So better than 80%. What was that number again? According to Tastyworks, I can't see it on my mini screen. An 85% probability of profit on that one. That sounds pretty good to me. I want to throw that in my IRA account. It's where I like to throw my naked puts. I'm going to go ahead and hit send. That puts that in our working orders. And boy, today will be interesting to see how yesterday's trade, our earnings trade in BABA yesterday, let's see how it goes. Take a quick look at the overall market here. Team Green seems to be winning with more of the indices up than down. What is down right now, our biggest loser is VIX. That's okay. That makes sense. And then we have, let's see, silver, gold, their precious metals are down about the exact same amount. Awesome. Oil's up, but had a big down day yesterday in oil. But yeah, all right. So NASDAQ, which would probably be closer to what BABA would see, is looking relatively flat, which is what we want for a neutral iron condor. All right, everybody, thanks so much for making it to the end of the video. Big thumbs up to you. And I just realized that whole time I was doing the market health, it was right here, and you were looking at Tastyworks. Maybe you could see that on Tastyworks. Was it there on the left side? It was on the left side. Cool. All right. Big thumbs up to you. If you think I earned a thumbs up, there is a thumbs up button for you to hit. Appreciate your watching these videos to the end. And yeah, in the description below, you'll find a link to go over and sign up with Tastytrade to get on their email list to get their cherry bombs sent to your inbox. My videos, they come out at the time the market opens. You'll get your cherry bomb emails before the market opens. Get a little bit of a head start if you want. But if you want to watch my analysis of these trades, you want to see how it's done, and look at alternatives, then hopefully you'll come back and you'll subscribe to the channel. Until then, everyone, may the market be with you.